Arlo Video Doorbell 2K. The all-seeing, no-nonsense guardian of your front door. Ever wish your doorbell had eyes sharper than an eagle, ears keener than a spy, and a voice that can handle unwanted visitors like a bouncer at an exclusive club? Meet the Arlo Video Doorbell 2K, 2nd Gen, your 24/7 digital doorman that doesn't just watch but actively protects. With crystal clear 2K resolution, an ultra-wide 180-degree field of view, and head-to-toe coverage, no sneaky porch pirates, nosy neighbors, or surprise guests will escape its watchful gaze. Whether it's day, night, rain, or shine, Arlo keeps your home locked, loaded, and in the know, all from your phone. Why settle for blurry, laggy, and unreliable when you can have cutting-edge clarity? While other video doorbells leave you squinting at grainy footage, Arlo delivers razor-sharp 2K HDR video that lets you count the whiskers on your mailman's mustache. And unlike those doorbells with awkward angles, Arlo's superior head-to-toe view ensures you see everything, from your package on the ground to the shady figure lurking by the bushes. The built-in night vision means darkness is no cover for troublemakers, and the integrated Siren lets you go full home alone mode on any suspicious activity. Tired of rushing to the door? Say hello to stress-free screening. With real-time notifications and two-way audio, you can talk to visitors without ever leaving your couch, or the beach, or your meeting, or anywhere. Whether you're welcoming friends, giving delivery drivers instructions, or politely shooing away unsolicited salespeople, Arlo's crisp, lag-free audio makes communication a breeze. And if someone's looking extra suspicious, trigger the siren and let them know they've messed with the wrong smart home. Simple setup, maximum protection, because your time is precious. Whether you choose wire-free battery operation or wired installation, Arlo's DIY-friendly design gets you up and running in minutes, no complex wiring, no technician required. Plus, with AI-powered alerts that recognize people, packages, and vehicles, you get smarter, more relevant notifications without the annoying false alarms from a passing squirrel. Add in Arlo Secure's cloud storage and intelligent features, and you've got a full-blown security system and a sleek, compact device. Premium security without the premium price tag. Unlike overpriced competitors that nickel-and-dime you for basic features, Arlo packs more value into every dollar. It's weatherproof, built to last, and backed by a trusted brand in home security. With the optional Arlo Secure plan, you can store footage for 60 days, get customized alerts, and turn your phone into mission control. Bottom line? If you want an affordable, high-tech, and ultra-reliable video doorbell that delivers next-level protection, Arlo is the one to beat. Your front door deserves better. Upgrade now.